everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Hi my sweet friends, happy Thursday, happy Thursday. Okay, let's jump right into this video because there's so much I want to show you, so much I want to talk about, and so many things I have done. So this is, first of all, happy June. Happy June, everybody. I cannot believe we are in June already, which means I have officially, almost in a few days, been here for 1 year. 1 year already. Time flies. Can you believe it? Time flies. Okay, today is DIY day, and it's a special DIY. It's taking things that you have or really inexpensive stuff. I got some stuff from the Dollar Tree. You're going to see that. And stuff that you have and incorporating it with other stuff that you have to come up with really, really, really great creative things. And I'm so excited about all this. I have pre-recorded clips. I voiced over them. I give you the tutorial on how to do things. I'm going to list everything down below. A lot of this stuff is from Dollar Tree. Some of the stuff is from Dollar Tree. The ribbons are all from Hobby Lobby that you're going to see. Okay, Bella, show us what you got. Okay, my sweet friends, let's start our DIY. You need a piece of cardboard, not very big, but not very small either. And a bunch of ribbon that coordinate with each other, some scissors and some twine. No hot glue involved in this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to wrap it twice. And make sure you use the upside, because make sure you write up. And this will be really important. You'll see why. So cut off your first ribbon. Okay, so you got 2 pieces on one side and 2 pieces on the other side. Now grab another ribbon and fold it over again. 2 pieces on one side, 2 pieces on the other side. And cut that off. And there you go. And keep doing this with all your ribbon. And you're going to see here. This is all you need to do. It's really, really simple. I was going to use this first, but then I thought, no, let's put the flag in the middle. You'll see, I'm going to switch it out right now. Yeah. So I put the flag ribbon right in the middle. I love this ribbon. It's very, very beautiful. Very, very nice ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I have to say, Hobby Lobby ribbon is my favorite ribbon. Okay. You got all that done. You cut all the bottoms off. Now you're going to get yourself twine. And you're going to make yourself a hook up at the up part. Okay, so you make like a loop through the ribbon. And you tie a little knot. And I'm having trouble because my nails have grown so long. But that, okay, so you see you made yourself a little loop. You see there? Perfect. Don't worry, you're going to hide all that. Now, cut off all the bottom loops. You're going to cut them off all straight. As straight as possible, and try to use the best scissors you have. Okay, so now basically you have a loop on the top, and I'm going to hide the little knot underneath so you don't see it anymore, so it's nice and clean. Okay, and then you're going to find the middle of your ribbon, and you're going to start cutting strips. Now, I cut 4 pieces on a 2-inch ribbon. And you're going to keep doing this. Watch, I'll show you again. You got your 2-inch ribbon. You're going to cut 4 into 4 pieces, 4 equal pieces. And if you can't do this, by eye, then try and measure it out. But I'm doing it by eye. I did not cut the American flag ribbon because I wanted it to be by itself. But you'll see again, cut equally all the pieces. All right, that one we're not going to cut, and this one we're going to cut into 4 equal pieces. So you got yourself all that done. Oh, here's another thing. Don't go all the way up. You're only gonna go. You're gonna leave about a half an inch to an inch at the top. Then you're gonna cut yourself another piece of twine. There you go. And now we're gonna form our tassel. Okay, squeeze this as hard as you can. You really, really, really need to put some strength into this. Squeeze, 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 tight, 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 as tight as possible. You don't want it to, flop around on you or anything like that. Okay, fluff, 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 fluff away. And what do you got? You got yourself a tassel. This is so cute. And wait till you see where I'm going to put this. Guys, I think this is the cutest tassel. Okay, friends, DIY number 2. And this one's going to go by really quick. And it's super, super easy and super fun. Dollar Tree frame, a Dollar Tree sign, some scatter, scissors, and a hot glue. That's all you need. Really, truthfully, that's all you need. So what I did is I took the wrapping off the frame, obviously. I took the flag off. I sanded the edges because they were very rough from Dollar Tree. And I really want this to look neat and tidy. Okay, a little bit of hot glue and place it in the corner. So easy. And then I took my scatter. And that's that little foam scatter from Hobby Lobby. And I did a red star, a blue star, a red star, and a blue star. You'll see right now. So easy, y'all. So easy. Anybody could do this. This would be such a great craft to make with your grandkids or your kids. This would be a really, really great craft. Okay. I did make a mistake here, and I'm going to show you right now. So when I put this star in, I didn't think about when my frame is going to be standing up. But look here. So the last star wouldn't sit properly. So took the star off, okay, and re-glued it. And just glued it a little higher up. And then it was perfect. It was perfect to go, and it just stood up really, really nice. And it looked really nice. And then you put whatever you want in your frame. But I'll show you what I did in mine. Cute, right? Very cute. All I did was take a printable of my favorite song. Okay, let's get to DIY number 3. This one is the easiest one ever. I bought this USA sign from Dollar Tree, and I thought, I can do better with this, really. Again, I sanded down the edges a little bit there just to make it perfect, because I really want it to be nice and tidy. I am placing the USA on my wreath. I just want my wreath to look extra special. And I thought, why not take last year's wreath and add to it? I think this is so easy to do. So easy to do. And it just elevates your stuff to that much more. And now you got something unique that nobody else has. Because adding whatever you like on your wreath that we all bought from Hobby Lobby makes it unique and gives it that extra touch. That's it, y'all. Let's go style this stuff. Okay, so now we made all our crafts, right? Amazing. Let's go style them. Because that's the key. Where are you going to put this stuff? How are you going to style it? What are you going to do with it? And I can't wait because I think this is going to add so much to my decor. And all these ideas can be used in your decor for your things, for your Canada. You could totally make tassels out of red ribbon. That would be really cute, red and white ribbon. Any other country, y'all know, you use your country ribbons, and it would be so cute to make a patriotic pillow for you. I love how this turned out. I am obsessed with it. I think it is so cute. I love the gold. I love the sparkly flag. And I love this. The stars with the gingham. It just reminds me of summertime barbecues. And what I did is I went and printed out my favorite song, and it's sheet music, and it's God Bless America. And I think it's so befitting. It's exactly what I wanted. This was a great DIY. I'm sorry, you could see my ring light. I think this was an amazing DIY. And what did it cost us? $1.25 for this, $1.25 for the frame. The print was free. And you know, you could go way over on this. I mean, you could use your Cricut machine and embellish your printable or whatever. If you have a Cricut machine, you could use any kind of other embellishment if you wanted, you know, whatever fits into your decor. But I think this fits in perfectly into my summer decor, and I absolutely love it. Okay, let's go style this. Well, my sweet friends, grab yourself a cup of coffee, and you should feel proud of all the great DIYs you did. Wasn't that so much fun? I mean, see, you just need to be a little creative. You zhuzhed up a pillow, a really plain pillow, made it unique and special. Nobody's got a pillow like that, but we do now, right? Because how fun is it? Let me put this down. How fun is it to take ribbon? Because usually when you think of tassels, you think of like, you know, wool or yarn or whatever or something else. But I thought I had so much of this ribbon, so much of it. And I still have tons of ribbon. And wait, because I got another DIY up my sleeve for our Patriotic series coming on Monday. I had so much of this ribbon. I don't want to take it back. It's so beautiful. It's so, you know, it's so beautiful. It's so patriotic, so nostalgic. I absolutely love it. My God, I absolutely love it. So I really wanted to give my stuff that extra specialness, that extra, you know, oomph or designer touch. Some people might call this a designer touch. But I wanted things that you think out of the box, you know, like using ribbon for a tassel, using a Dollar Tree sign to embellish a really plain wreath. I love the picture frame. I think the picture frame is so cute, especially if you're doing patriotic in your home. You can put the Star Spangled Banner. You could put a picture of one of your loved ones that served in the Army, Navy, what is it? Army, Navy, somebody tell me down below in the comments some stuff. Army, Navy. Y'all, there's 3 branches of the Army. What is it? Okay, well, I forgot. I'm sorry. Anyways, that is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got lots of creative information. You got your juices going. You know, you got your own ideas flowing. I'd love to hear what you guys are going to do. Leave me a comment down below. You guys know I love to interact with you all. I love to know what you're doing. Have you started your patriotic decor? Are you going to start? When do you start? I want to enjoy my summer patriotic decor as much as possible. As much as possible. I love it. For me, it's a dream come true. Anyways, so that is that. I hope you have a great weekend ahead, and I'll see you very soon. See you on Monday. Bye, everybody. Mwah.